Hi friends, this video shows how to bring back missing microphone voice input button on Samsung keyboard. Let me open this messages app. Tap on this icon. Tap on this new message icon. And here you can see the Samsung keyboard, but microphone voice input button is missing. I am not able to find voice input button here or here. I will show you how we can bring that button back. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down, tap on general management, then tap on keyboard list and default. Tap here, then enable this option, keyboard button on navigation bar. Enable it, then enable Google voice typing. Tap here, tap on OK. Done. Here you can see default keyboard is Samsung keyboard. Then tap on Samsung keyboard. Tap here. Now we are seeing Samsung keyboard settings. Go down, tap on voice input, and here first let me select Google voice typing. Done. Then go back to messages app, and now here in this Samsung keyboard you can find microphone voice input button. This is a microphone voice input button of Google voice typing. Let me test. Tap here. Hello, testing. See, it's working. Let me stop. Tap here. Done. Let me go back. So next I will show you how we can change this microphone voice input button to Samsung voice input. Again, go to settings, and here under this Samsung keyboard settings, again select voice input. This time I am going to change this voice input to Samsung voice input. Done. Then go back, then again go to messages app. Now you can see this microphone voice input button has been changed. This is a voice input button of Samsung voice typing. Let me test. Tap here. Hello, testing. See, it's working. If you want to stop, again tap here. This way we can stop. So this way we can bring back missing microphone voice input button on Samsung keyboard. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.